Hey everyone. What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics who work here in the shop with me. So don't worry, we're gonna solve this problem. A lot of customers get worried because it seems like the car keeps running, but what's actually happening is that the cooling system keeps working to protect the engine. One of my clients told me, I turned off the car and the fan didn't stop. I thought something was really wrong. And that gives us an idea that this is actually a pretty common phenomenon. In our experience, what usually happens is that the engine still holds residual heat and the electric fan kicks in to get rid of it. A client also told us it's like the car keeps running just because of the fan. Well, the shop technicians explain that this is completely normal. The vehicle's computer keeps sending power to the fan until the temperature drops to a safe level. We've also seen cases where a faulty temperature sensor causes the fan to stay on longer than necessary. In one of the interviews I did with the client, he told me he changed the sensor and now the fan turns off in just a few seconds. What I can tell you is that here the technicians point out that if the sensor sends incorrect information, the computer thinks the engine is still too hot and keeps the fan running as the safety measure. In other vehicles, the fan relay can be the reason why it doesn't turn off. Some customers who came to the shop told us the fan kept running even after turning off the car until we checked the relay. Well, the relay controls the power supply to the fan, and if it fails, it can keep sending current, even when the vehicle's already turned off. In some models, there have even been software updates released for the engine control module to fix this behavior. It's worth mentioning that a technician told me that manufacturers knew that in certain models, the fan would stay on longer than it should. That's why they released updates so the system would work properly. Thanks to this, the fan turns off at the right time and you don't have to worry about it. But let me tell you something. Right here on the screen, there's a video you might be interested in to help you avoid this kind of issue with your car.